All right, guys, so here it is. These are the space gray version of the AirPods Max, and the box is actually bigger than I thought it'd be. It shows a picture of the AirPods, and if we flip it over, it's got that very interesting looking case that can help it not lose its battery. We'll talk about that more in another video, but yep, there's the price tag. I would say pretty hefty. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it. All right, got the plastic off, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box now. And there they are. Okay, so it comes, all right, just take that off. It comes with the plastic around it. Really quick, let's see. In here we got the stickers. Let's see, we got the instructions. And we also have, let's see, are those stickers in there? Of course they are, they're somewhere. A lot of instructions and, maybe no stickers. All right, and we also have the USB-C charger. Okay, very nice. Yep, and there we have the AirPods now, and I'll just go ahead and, it's pretty durable actually, the plastic. I'll just go ahead and rip it. I'm not gonna need it. And remove all that. And it looks like the case, we just have it here. And then when I remove it from the case, you have the AirPods are covered with just like a paper little thing, and there they are. They're actually really beautiful and feel a lot heavier on here than I thought it would. It's something that I did not expect is the feeling of the case. So inside it's like a kind of like a soft fabric, and out on the outside it feels a little bit like silicone. So yeah, that's pretty nice. It's kind of, again, it is a weird looking shape to it, but yeah, these are really beautiful, and I'm super excited to try them out. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you next time.